In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any Android phone. You just need to come on Play Store, search Spotify, okay, so click and search Spotify, install the app and open the app. Then you need to give all permissions to Spotify. So after you log in on the Spotify, you don't need to create an account. You just need to click on at the top right corner on this icon, and you will see that you will use Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time, okay? If you want to turn off, just click on this option again, okay? So you need to confirm okay. And if you want to turn off, just click on this button again, that it will turn off this option. I hope I helped you how to use Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.